न्यायपालिका सर्वोपरि है। ये देखिए अर्नब गोस्वामी तलोजा जेल से बाहर आ रहे हैं। देखिए मीडिया का जमावड़ा पुलिस उन्हें एक तरफ कर रही है। पुलिस की देखिए अर्नब आगे की सीट पर बैठे। अगर तो
ये हमारे अटल के आने में
अर्नब अपना शेर है। अपने शेर को ज्यादा दिन तक नहीं रख सकते। अर्नब अपना शेर है। शेर बाहर आएगा। अर्नब शेर है।
We are on the way to Taloja jail, and as we go there, we are stuck in traffic right now, and yeah, this is another test of our patience. But yes, this time around we go there with a sense of relief, because today the Supreme Court has upheld personal liberty and has granted bail to our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami. You saw the pictures that came in from the newsroom the minute the news broke. We erupted in celebration. We clapped, we got emotional, and there's just been one thing in the minds of everyone, that yes, this has been very, very unprecedented. This fight for justice in itself has been really, really unprecedented. Along with me is my senior colleague Nitesh. He's driving, and I would also like to ask him what's going on in his mind, because every day as a team we've been coming here to work, holding our heads, working, because that's the only thing we've been taught. Nitesh, how are you feeling at this point of time as you're driving to the Taloja jail, because we know we're going to march back with Arnab?
I'm actually feeling excited to see Arnab as soon as possible. We missed him for so many days,
Right.
and the wait is over.
Absolutely, the wait is over, and it's been very, very it's been mixed emotions for each one of us. But yes, if we go back, it was a marathon hearing in the Supreme Court today. Some very, very strong arguments put forth by India's topmost lawyer Harish Salve, and then when our judges, Justice Chandrachud and Justice Indira Banerjee, when they deliberated and when they put forth those points, when they actually spoke about how if courts do not intervene in matters of personal liberty, we will be on the path of destruction. When they also said that it's going to be a travesty of justice when when an FIR is pending and bail is not granted. In the order itself, that granted bail to Arnab. In the order itself, the judges also said that there was an error on the part of the High Court, when it rejected the application for bail. So this is what has happened through the day. But yes, 1 hour more for us as we drive to the Taloja jail. We'll keep you posted. The formal, process has begun. The superintendent in the Taloja jail has begun the process for bail. And Arnab will be out soon, and we are very, very happy and charged and excited as we go there to receive him and to bring him back to his newsroom.
And what am I doing? I have fought through lawyers, I've gone to the courts, I've gone to the High Court, Supreme Court, City Civil Court. We've lost some, we've won some, but I am telling you today, they said, you're not going to be able to come out of this Chakravyuh. I promise to all of you watching this today, I will burn the Chakravyuh, break the Chakravyuh, destroy the Chakravyuh, and I will quit. I promise you. We want justice. And remain strong. This is our time, this is our country. Remember what I said. We don't need anyone.